go over some abnormal heart sounds together. First things first, we need something to compare it to, so this is your normal. Tachycardia is a heart rate over 100 beats per minute. Sometimes it can be reactions to outside influences like caffeine or being scared, but other times we may have some sort of electrical wiring issue causing the heart to speed up. This can be dangerous if sustained for too long. Let's listen. In the opposite, our heart can beat too slowly or less than 60 beats per minute. If this happens, the body may not be able to maintain adequate blood flow to major organs. Causes of bradycardia can be harmless or harmful. Let's listen. Heart murmurs sound like whooshing or blowing and are caused by turbulent blood flow across the heart valves. They're described by the stage of the heartbeat when the murmur is heard, either systolic or diastolic. Let's listen. A little refresher, we describe systole and diastole as our lub and dub, or S1 and S2, are two normal heart sounds. Sometimes we may hear two more heart sounds, S3 and S4, which are generally abnormal. S3 is heard in early diastole and S4 is heard in late diastole. Let's listen.